Hi, it's Dustin Guthrie again for this weekly listing tour video, and today I'm at the cheapest pool home that's on a freshwater canal here in Cape Coral. This canal behind me is freshwater. It's not saltwater, so it is landlocked, but it's certainly navigable by smaller boats or kayaks or stand-up paddle boards, things like that. And this one at $390 is the cheapest pool home on one of these freshwater canals we have right now in Cape Coral. So without further ado, let's take a look at it. Okay, first of all, I want to let you know that I do multiple videos like this every single week, both listing tour videos like this one, as well as informative videos on Cape Coral and Southwest Florida. So if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so. I try very hard to make this channel a valuable resource for you, so I think you'll get a lot out of subscribing and you'll be notified whenever I publish a new video. Also, my contact information is down in the description, so if you're looking at buying a place in Southwest Florida or you have a place you'd like to sell here, even if you're not quite ready yet, please get a hold of me. I've been a full-time broker here in Southwest Florida for almost 20 years, and I can promise you there's no one who's going to work harder for you, and I'll be a great resource for you in more ways than you might realize. Okay, my last home tour was a beautiful $1 million Gulf Access lake home, so I wanted this next one to be a more affordable waterfront property. This is currently the least expensive waterfront pool home in the entire city of Cape Coral. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a den and a pool, and it's located on a freshwater canal in the northwest section of Cape Coral. The current list price is $390,000. So the 2-car garage is off to the right as we enter the front door here. This is not a huge home. It's just a little bit over 1,400 square feet of living area under air conditioning. It's a split floor plan with the main bedroom and bath on one side of the house and the guest rooms and this den right here on the other. Overall, I'd say this house is move-in ready. There's certainly a few handyman things that could be done, but from everything I can see, there's no major repairs or anything that have to be done right away. This kitchen is definitely clean, and it's nice and open to the living room in the front, and then it has this slider access in the back to the screened-in pool area, and we'll go out there here in a minute. The home mostly has this ceramic tile flooring. It's in all the main areas of the house, as well as the bathrooms and the den. And then all the bedrooms have this wood-like laminate flooring, so there's no carpet in the entire house. On this side of the house are the guest bedrooms, and both of these guest rooms are connected to a Jack and Jill guest bathroom. Moving over to the other side of the house, we have the larger main bedroom. This bedroom has a bigger walk-in closet. The main bathroom is clean and efficient with just the single sink vanity and a walk-in shower. Okay, let's take a look at the pool deck and the beautiful waterfront. This is a smaller pool, but it's a true in-ground pool, and it overlooks the big wooden dock out back. Both the pool itself and the screened pool cage appear to be in decent shape. Heading over to the dock, this is a really cool space. We have this big wooden deck / dock that overlooks the freshwater canal. It could probably be cleaned up and resealed, but what a great outdoor living space this is. You could have a nice outdoor table and chairs out here with a grill, maybe a few lounge chairs for sunbathing, or even a big tiki hut. And this waterfront is really where a lot of the value is in this property. This big freshwater canal system here goes for miles, and there are several lakes in between. So you can have a small boat, like a pontoon boat tied up back here, maybe some jet skis. Certainly kayaking and paddleboarding would be great back here. There's excellent bass fishing in these canals. Just a lot of great possibilities here, and even though these canals don't empty out into the Gulf of Mexico, it's still a great piece of Florida waterfront, and it's so much less expensive than the Gulf Access canals. So, you know, when it's all said and done, it's not a bad little move-in ready house on the water here. It's got a pool, It's just under 1,500 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's right here on a freshwater canal, and right now, this is the lowest priced property on the market that's in this category. So definitely not a bad little place. There's certainly a couple of things you could probably take care of once you moved in, but overall not a bad deal at all. And I really appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. If you wouldn't mind, reach over and hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. I do one of these listing tours every single week, and then I also do an informative video on the area. So I think you'll get a lot out of subscribing to this channel. And if you have a real estate need, or you'd like to see this address or additional listing information on this one or any of the other properties that are for sale in Southwest Florida, my contact info is down there in the description. I really hope you'll reach out to me. Thanks so much again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one real soon.